In my capacity as the school head of Matadi Integrated School, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation and moving up, of whom candidates for graduation and moving up composed of 33, of whom 13 are boys, 20 girls. As per record, they have satisfactorily completed the of education under the K-12 curriculum. They are now waiting for your affirmation, sir.
So, our school's division superintendent, Dr. Madeline L. Macaling, duly represented by our dynamic education program supervisor in MAPE, Sir Rodante L. Nadal, to our dedicated Public Schools District Supervisor of Laguna North District, Sir Vicente Bisa Calabitao. I have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation of Alternative Learning System piloted by Sampay Integrated School through Matadi Community Learning Center for this school year 2025-2026. We have 7 male, 13 female, a total of 20 candidates for graduation. These learners have satisfactorily completed the requirements of the alternative learning system under the K-12 basic education curriculum prescribed by the Department of Education. They are now ready for your affirmation and confirmation respectively.
Okay. To our Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Madeline L. Macaling, CESO 5, duly represented by Dr. Rodante Nadal, our EPS in MAPE, to the two school heads here, Sir Jimmy Olangi, the school head of Matadi Integrated School and Maingit Elementary School, and we have here our all-school coordinator, Sir Willie Nidera. As per their presentation, you, our candidates for moving up, our candidates for graduation, candidates for completion, as they have reported to us that they have satisfactorily completed the requirements for K-12 basic curriculum set for the elementary, the junior high school, and for the senior high school. I am proudly certifying that they are eligible for this graduation 2026 for this school year 2025-2026. Ready for your confirmation, sir.
Thank you very much, Sir Vicente Sacalabitao, our Public Schools District Supervisor of Nagtipunan North District. As per certification made by our school head, Sir Jimmy, for Matadi Integrated School, and Sir Willie, our TIC of Alternative Learning System in Nagtipunan North District, that you have and upon affirmation of your Public Schools District Supervisor, that you have satisfactorily completed the prescribed requirements under kindergarten for our completers, under basic education curriculum for elementary, and under Junior High School of Matadi Integrated School of the Department of Education, and the Alternative Learning System from the Department of Education, I, Mr. Rodante Nadal, by virtue of the power vested in me from the Secretary of Education through our Schools Division Superintendent, Madam Madeline Makaling, I will now accept and confirm you completers and graduates of Matati Integrated School and Sangbay Integrated School for school year 2025-2026 effective today. Congratulations! Ayan. So yung mga graduates natin, mga senior high school natin, you may now turn your tassel to your right. Lipat na ninyo as proof that you are now already graduates effective today.